It's about to explode.
Probably.
Couple more. That's a good place to
Get a better image of just how much.
Let's see. We got a Budweiser here.
It's starting to look like one of those boards.
He's got it.
Oh, that is too low.
I'll send you the video.
How are you doing that? That ain't hurt you because it's just like stop.
Me too. Thank you, baby.
Here in the stick, it's in the bowl.
Yeah, working camera.
Hope this goes pretty soon. I want to sit here and record this the whole time. Shouldn't have moved.
Come on, Dad. Is he leaking?
Joey, Courtney, your turn.
More, Dad, more. Dad, give me a rubber band. Oh, never mind, one right here.
It'd be so cool if Lux shot it at that and then it exploded. But he didn't even hit it.
Just throw a stick at it.
Do it. When nobody's looking. If you hit me with one of those, I will kill you.
Where'd my rubber band go?
I have no idea.
Dad has a bunch.
Oh my God.
Hit him. Hit him.
Where did that go from? Hit the water.
I don't know.
Do your baseball bat at not. That'd break it all by itself.
Tell him Sam kissed it. It would do it for us.
If I get hit by a piece of watermelon, I'm gonna cry.
No.
Yeah, like fly through the air and like eat it before it could even hit me.
You might want to back up. Yeah, that might be good. I don't want to have to
Just put two at a time.
Just say it's got important stuff on there. It's not my phone, it's my mom's.
What, porno? Asian ass porn.
Stop.
I would take them all off before it explodes.
How's it going, Mike? Pass me that other ball. Doesn't cool if that was the watermelon.
Yeah. Get out of my way. What's gonna happen is a piece is gonna fly out and it's gonna hit my phone, drop out of my hand, and I'll be like, holy shit. And I'll pick it up and my phone will be broken.
Awesome. Was gonna say something?
What?
Open up me in the face.
That's funny.
That was one thing. Those guys didn't have their face over the melon.
That'd be really funny actually to say.
They were sitting on the bench and reaching to it.
No, it wouldn't. You wouldn't get hit in the face.
Yeah, because it did pop straight up. How long did they have to wait once they got all the rubber bands on at one time?
They were keep. No, they put the rubber bands on, and then they were gonna put one more on, and then it exploded.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, just walk away and let it sit.
Well, on the video it said it took them 20
Now
minutes.
walk away.
Still putting rubber bands on.
Dude, look
It
at
looks
it.
way different.
Kind of off.
It's crazy from this angle too.
It looks like one of those pumpkins.
Oh, yeah, one of the messed up.
Dude, it's gonna go pretty soon. Locke, get out of the way.
It looks like a pear.
It looks like Jake's head. Riley, stop. Stay over here. I mean, I bet if we go like maybe grab
Did you guys have rubber bands on the ball already?
my name on it.
Dude, it's so close.
Maybe I don't want
Where's that guy with the bat?
Them all on? Or until it blows?
Not gonna happen.
Sorry, I'm on duty.
I'm recording.
Call of Duty.
I'm on the clock.
You're on the new video game, Call of Duty.
Are you calling me a drug addict?
No, Coca-Cola Duty.
Like,
You done?
kind of like that South Park episode. Go over heroin.
Oh my god.
You never do.
That actually would be a good one.
I just think that's too far. Wait, no, that one game where you pull out the wood pieces and then yeah. Whoever puts on the one that explodes is out.
That's definitely getting deeper.
What does it feel like, Mom?
Yes, what?
I don't think that leaking has to happen. Although about every time one of those rubber bands snaps on me, I'm like,
Dive, duck, dip, dodge, dodge.
Okay, what?
It's the 5 D's of dodgeball. Dive, dip, duck.
dodge, duck, dick, dodge, duck,
Dick?
dip.
Dive, dip, dodge. Duck, dive, dip, dodge, dodge, dodge. Or it's 2 dodges and
No, it's dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.
yeah. Okay. The top of that watermelon's almost round.
It's all.
It's like a zit ready to pop.
Yep, she's done. She knows. Just put 2 on and snap it really hard.
Hey, Dad, right in the middle of one. Thump it. Here's where
I keep wanting to watch it, but then like my camera angle goes like over this way or over that way. If you want to.
It looks like a watermelon that had a girdle on it.
That does not look healthy.
Who's gonna eat the pieces that fall on the ground?
Me?
Nobody's going to. I'm not going to eat any of it.
I hope we run out of
Babe, babe.
Fine. Yep.
Spray them off in Coke. Dr. Pepper.
Oh yeah.
Dip them in some Elio. We should there's a Chevy behind me. In this episode of Watermelons brought to you by Chevy. Watermelons. It seriously does not look healthy though.
Oh, that's straight up alright.
What? Nope, still alive, I think. I think I am.
We should, Mom, that'd be bad if you left somebody's neck.
Yes.
Well, that'd be torture though. Good for it, torture, put that around somebody's neck. Yeah.
You almost out of rubber bands here, Ray? Hold on.
Torture it. Put those around somebody's head.
There's one underneath
Of course, the wind's blowing this way.
Thing is not blowing up by how much they're moving it. It's not gonna.
The right side of that looks messed up.
Yeah.
Is there juice?
Put 2 more on.
I get the fuck
Stop, doesn't mean you get closer to it.
I felt so wet on my fingers.
Oh
Hey, you don't have to pick up all
yeah!
the
Anybody
bands.
get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Kenny, don't stand there and hold that. I gotta get a picture.
Okay.
I got
See that rubber band ball?
Come here. Look, get that the boat.
I don't know if it